Candles gutter on the flagstone, wax like rivers on the floor. Dust is dancing in the half-light, quiet stalls and oaken doors. You left your name cut in the railing, crooked letters, shallow scars. I trace them softly with a finger, like reading ruins of our heart. I'm a stone in the chapel, you're the crack in the glass. All the saints keep their distance while the echoes come back. Every vow that we whispered still hangs cold in the air. I'm a stone in the chapel, and you're everywhere. Iron key upon a ribbon, swinging slow against my chest. Every time it hits my heartbeat, feels like you won't let me rest. Stained reflections on the marble, halo gold across my face. I almost see you in the colors, then it fades, and it's just space.